Hi, my name is Mohammadyunus. I am from Belagavi. Completed my engineering from Basweshwar Engineering College, Bhagalpur. One of my friend recommended me to join the Emertxe for upskill in embedded domain. During my college days, I was an average student where I know about the basics of the coding. Here, I got much more knowledge in coding and upskill myself. In Emertxe, there were multiple modules: C, data structures, Linux, microcontroller, where we used to do a coding on each module. This module was actually got us hands-on experience and we used to learn many modules. The mentors were really helpful. They used to clear each and every doubt. Actually, the mentors were highly skilled. I have done 6 projects in Emertxe. Actually, those projects were really helpful, which explored me to gain a more knowledge, hands-on experience on each module. This is my first interview where I have cracked the interview and secured my job. And I have joined in Harman International. Journey in the Emertxe was really good, where I have learned many more things apart from the skill set, like culture as well. I would highly recommend those who want to make their career in embedded systems. Those people can join the Emertxe and make their journey in embedded systems.